Hello friends, this is Veronica and I'm back today with another Cafecito Adventure. I know some of these videos don't get as many views, but now that things are opening up, I want to feature more local coffee shops, small coffee shops, and let you know what's out there, what's open. And this one just opened up not too far from where I live, and I wanted to come check it out because it's a very special coffee shop in a very special home. Yes, it's a house, old Craftsman style house, and I've been waiting to come check it out. It just recently opened, and yeah, let's go inside and see what they have.
Go on in. Oh, this is nice. Oh, four, yeah, that sounds good.
You guys make the donuts or different caffeinated? Oh, okay. Oh, they're coffee. Try another new recipe. So let's try the frozen coffee.
Absolutely. Do you want to do with the milk sauce? Or do you want to try it?
Sure.
With the milk sauce?
You want to try it?
No, I'm good.
We tried some yesterday before the close.
I know, yeah. Yesterday was like one day to be closed and be open.
We have it upstairs. Here you are. Let's start it for you.
Cool. Thank you. You don't mind if I get a few shots of you film? Thank you. Doctor?
This is so cool. This is cool.
Yeah, this is very cool.
This is exactly what we've been waiting for.
Yeah. Where are you, Veronica?
I am at Modern Times Coffee and we're about to try a frozen latte with homemade chocolate syrup.
Okay.
We actually saw them make it. So, going in. Oh my god, that's so good. It's really good. I love the decor. I love the style. This used to be somebody's house.
I know.
Somebody used to live in this house. I wonder what year it's from. If you're in Anaheim, if you ever come to Disney, come check out Modern Times Coffee.
Yeah, it's
Really good and really cool. I don't like the way it smells in here.
Yeah.
Go to
Very
the
cool.
all the place.
When we're done here, you want to go check out the beer place? What are your thoughts so far?
I like it. I like that they converted this old Craftsman home into a coffee shop. Very nice.
How's the coffee?
The coffee's really good actually. Frozen latte with homemade mocha sauce or chocolate sauce. Definitely something you need to check out here in the neighborhood. They did a really good job. Here, I know some of these Cafecito Adventure videos aren't as successful and they don't get as many views, but I really do want to feature local coffee shops wherever I go, and I feel we should be supporting them after the year we've all been through and they've been through. So if you have a chance and if you ever come down to Southern California, Anaheim area, or Disneyland, come check it out. You won't be disappointed. Or don't forget to like these videos, subscribe, and yeah, let me know what's your favorite local coffee shop where you live, because if I'm ever in your town or in your area, I would definitely love to go check it out. So see you guys.